Well, this is inside the Glacier Park Lodge. I'm up on the top floor. My room was not in this general area, it was in the annex. But we're looking down, and the place we have breakfast is up here. Reception is right there. There's gift shops and places to sit and whatnot around there. So take a little walk around here and see it from different angles here. And we come down on this side, you see all these big pillars are actually trees here. These big massive ones here that you see. And we're all down there. You can see, you can sit down there in the bottom, have a good time or whatever. And up top here we have light coming in, natural light. It's going to lit. And all these here are actual trees, massive trees here, massive size. Good straight ones from 1930s. I think this building is 95 years old from what I've been told. And the reception is down there. The main entrance is coming in right here. So yeah, we'll come down the other side here. You know, see the inside of it. People can take pictures. Like I said, the dining room is right there. We got a teepee over here. I'm gonna have to go down, check out the teepee here maybe. I could sleep in there on the inside. That would be pretty good. Let's check this out. There's no stairs on this end. I gotta go way down the other end to get in the stairs here, I guess. Yeah, there's the teepee there. All right. So I could have slept in there. Only one set of stairs here. You want to have a fire exit, you got to go out through your window here, I guess. And there's the teepee. I guess you could crawl in there at night. Take your sleeping bag in there. There you go. It's 10 up. I guess I better get down to my vehicle there before they leave me here. All right, here we go. This is it down from the ground level here. And you can see I'm going to go up here, turn around, come back down this side here. And my room was way down there, and you got to walk a good distance and up on the second floor. So this was it. And you can see these massive timbers here, all these logs and everything, actual trees here. So there you go. All right.